So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, I welcome you to tebtalks.com. Today we're going to look at something else which is very important, and that is the count function in Microsoft Excel. So, as you hear the word count, this one helps to count the number of values or the number of values within a given cells, but these have to be numeric values only. So, we are going to see how that works. So to start with, what we're going to do, we are going to select one of the cell where the answer or the value, the output will have to be displayed. So I can select this cell here, that is E18. So I have to type the first value in any formula or in any function, that is the equal sign. After putting equal sign, then I go ahead and type the function name, that is count. After that, I put the value, the first value, which is B16. I'm going to get the first value as the first initial value, which is B16. After that, I'll go ahead and use the range to simplify it. I'll use the range, so go ahead and say B16 to C24. So I go ahead and say C24. So that one highlights or select all the values within these two columns, both column B and column C. And then I have to close the bracket. So after closing the bracket, what next is that I have to press enter on the keyboard. After pressing that enter, then I'll get the answer, that is 18. So 18 is the value after counting all these numbers within these two columns, column B and column C. So if we can count them manually to prove that, you see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So even here I have 9. So 9 times 2, I get 18. So the count function helps to count the numbers or count the digits or the values within a given cell, but it have to be numeric. It have to be numeric. So guys, thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel, tebtalks.com, so that you can get as many videos as they come in. Otherwise, we love you, and let's continue and meet in the next video.